Hey decision makers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a phrase that will save you from yes man syndrome and make you sound like a wise sage. Let's roll. 我再想想吧. This phrase means let me think about it. Think of it as your get out of commitment free card for those wait, did I just agree to skydiving moments. Imagine these scenarios. Your boss asks you to lead a TikTok dance team tomorrow. Your crush invites you to a casual dinner. That's clearly a will they, won't they trap. You accidentally say yes to a 7 a.m. yoga class. 我再想想吧 instantly buys you time and dignity. We use this phrase to, number 1, avoid impulsive decisions. Hey, do you want to invest in crypto? 我再想想吧 Okay, nope. 2. Softening rejection. Can I borrow your kidney? 我再想想吧 How about $5 instead? 3. Procrastinating drama. Mom says, get married. 我再想想吧 I'll circle back in 2030. Now read after me. 我再想想吧我再想想吧 Perfect. Your turn. Finish these sentences with 我再想想吧 Drop your funniest sentence in the comments below, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more Chinese chaos. Until next time, stay sassy, stay smart, and remember, 我再想想吧